Here is Laura's story. I didn't know what I would find when I started this journey and when I began this Isagenix business, but the last thing I thought I would find is myself. It happened so fast. I just woke up one morning and I'm 30. With 3 kids under the age of 4, my husband was being deployed to Iraq, and the debt is piling up. I was so focused on taking care of my family that I stopped taking care of myself. I was introduced to Isagenix by a close friend and said no to her for 3 years until I finally decided to do something about it. I researched the business. I learned everything I possibly could about Isagenix and network marketing. I needed to understand the business and believe in it. I needed to understand my reason for committing to Isagenix, my reason why. I used the product and watched my body transform. My energy came back. That's when it really hit me. I realized how simple this was. People eat every day. Instead of buying the wrong foods, why not fill your body with the best nutrition? After hard work and dedication, I was able to earn a 6-figure income. I can still hardly believe it. When my husband deployed to Iraq, I knew I had a choice: hunker down in survival mode while he was gone, or use this gift to provide more for my family. So I dove in with both feet. I set a goal to earn double my husband's pay while he was gone. I shared my story. I shared my results. What I found was that people really could relate. Sharing my story was so simple. Sharing the concept of Isagenix was so simple. But simple does not mean easy. It takes a lot of hard work. I look back on those breakthrough moments and I wonder what life would be like if I didn't go for this opportunity, if I hadn't have fought so hard. Now I host my own events. I take my team to corporate events. We wear matching shirts with an anchor that symbolize our why. Our anchors hold us accountable, help us really remember why we started this journey in the first place. Now I'm the mom and wife I always wanted to be. I get to spend time with the people I love and cherish, and I'm making a living doing it. And when my husband came home, not only did I quadruple his income, we were debt-free. Most of all, this has taught me to set goals and dream big, really for the first time in my life. And it's amazing.